Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to share responses of an Instagram story. First, I've created a story here with a question. Now we're going to click on the story and actually answer the question. So the question is this the best YouTube channel? The obvious answer is yes. What else? And I'm going to click send. Great, now that we responded to this, I'm going to log back into this account and we'll see the response. Okay, perfect. So now that we're back in this account, it says my story. We're going to click on seen by and we're going to click responses. We're going to click on this response which we sent in, and next we're going to share the response. There we go. Click, and I'm going to put it in my story. So as you can see, now it's in my story, and that's how you share responses on Instagram stories. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped, and I will see you next time.